So you see this thread goes all the way through the box. Watch this little moment.
What the? Right. It's lovely.
When you receive Breakthrough, you are ready to perform right out of the box, and you're not limited to perform with just the spike provided. You can literally perform this with anything that fits through the small hole. A pen, a pencil, a matchstick, a nail, a ribbon, even a borrowed object, which means you can adapt Breakthrough to suit your own style and performance. It's incredibly easy to do. In fact, I'd give this the skill level of, well, you'll already know how to do it. You'll literally be performing this in minutes.
The thing is this that you need to understand before this actually happens, is that it genuinely is just a solid packet of cards, all right? I've even got the film on over here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just bring that film down. I don't know if you can see this, but right in the middle, can you see that right there? I don't know if you can see what's happening through there. Can you see that?
Yeah.
In the middle?
Yeah.
There's a tiny hole, all right? Have a look at this. I'm going to push this all the way through. And I don't want you to think that this is some kind of an optical illusion, because it isn't. This really is all the way through. All right?
Yeah, totally.
Now, you might be thinking, well, why would that actually be an optical illusion? Because it went all the way through. Well, the actual reality is that inside this box is this completely solid, and it really is solid, and it's the exact same size as the box itself. So the ultimate question is, how did that fit inside?
What the hell? Do that again. I want to see it again. It's a proper illusion. The structure of it is so great. You got three things happening all at once. That's so great.
It looks impossible, it feels impossible. Pick up Breakthrough today.